as I go. If there's peace upon my music, and let there peace be upon your soul. It symbolize Jah love will make it brighter. If you pay your burden, Jah will make it lighter.
This big color, me call it freedom. Me can run wherever me go. If there peace upon my music, let there peace upon your soul. It symbolize Jah love.
Jah will make everything brighter.
Now your burden, pay your burden. Place your burden, make it lighter.
Love that we share to clear the sins of all the children.
Make it lighter.
Yellow makes me mellow like the sun every time it rises above me. Green makes it worth every minute to see what Jah has done for me. Black, one love, these are the colors that symbolize the love given from His Majesty. One love, and through His teachers we learn to love one another as family. One love.
What can I do to feed your hungry children? Where can I find one peace for all your children? Come all ye with all your trouble feeling. Where shall I give unto your troubled soul? Let I be your light upon all your children. I'll lead the way, don't be afraid. I'll lead the way, don't be afraid.